Now this is not a DB9 or DB25 cable, but this will work to help us demonstrate the process of performing a continuity test so that we can identify which wire goes to which pin. You would do it the same way regardless of the cable that you had. What I have here are little plungers that when you push on that, a small hook comes out of the end. And that's really nice for being able to hang on to the wires. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to, we'll grab this orange one here on there. And that just holds on to that wire real nice for me. And I don't have to worry about trying to pinch it between my leads or anything like that. I'm going to use a traditional lead to test the other side here, because all I have to do now is to go through while the plunger hook is holding on, is just to go through and touch each of the pins. And I've got my meter set for resistance, and my meter also has the ability to generate a tone when it detects that there is a complete loop here. That's what we mean by continuity test, is just we have a continuous circuit from the pin down to the end of this wire, and then we know that that's the correct loop. If my meter did not have a tone generator, you see right now it says that it's open, there's no connection. If I do have a connection, I'm actually going to measure some resistance here. Otherwise it will remain open. So I'll just go through and start touching each of my pins. And I'm waiting to hear a tone. There it is. And you see, when I hear the tone, I'm also getting the measurement on the display. And so now I know which pin of my cable corresponds with the orange wire. And so that's really important to be able to know how to test your wires so that when you wire things up, if you can't identify what you're working with, you're going to struggle out there, particularly as it relates to communication. Wires need to be placed in the right spot in order for that communication to happen. Otherwise, the message does not get received.